Indian Education Society was started in the year 1966. The purpose of starting this society was to educate the educationally backward section of the community, and also that section of the community which due to poverty was not attending to education. So we started first an Arts and Science Commerce College, then a number of institutions right from LKG to postgraduate and research. And now we have all over the country 200 institutions, about 2 lakh students studying in various branches of education.
Considering the importance of legal education by our founder Dr. Mumtaz Ahmad Khan Sahab, he established Al-Amin College of Law in the year 1991 with 3-year LLB course.
The purpose of the establishment of the Al-Amin College of Law is to promote judiciary, especially among minorities.
After that, in 2001, Al-Amin College of Law has introduced 5-year LLB, 3-year LLB after graduation, 5-year LLB after plus 2, serving the cause of legal education from past 26 years, 27 years.
We have got 716 students on roll as on today, and every year more than 150 students, they are becoming advocates.
Al-Amin Law College lifted the banner of unity, integrity, nationality as well as secularism.
Al-Amin Law College, the opportunities are endless here.
Al-Amin College of Law has showed me so many things, and the most important thing is the communicative aspect. When I came to this college, I found it hard to speak to people. And one thing Al-Amin College of Law, especially not only the faculties but the people around me, they made me feel welcome. Not only did they make me feel welcome, they made me feel among. Okay, they made studying easier for me, they made communication easier for me, they made even the country itself easier for me.
You know, the society keeps changing. So when the society changes, every system is also subject to change. The depth regarding the subject wise is concerned, they are getting the practical exposure. We have been given the students the opportunity to go for outside the class. One method we adopted is blended learning.
See, today competitive environment, if you give only traditional kind of education to the students doesn't like it. We have divided our curricular into different system. Like we have internships with the judges, sitting judges of the Honorable High Court of Karnataka. There are more than 44 students who are getting internship in the High Court of Karnataka. Once they finish the internship with the High Court of Karnataka, we send them to the corporate internship where they will be given a kind of training to the students to work on different laws of the countries. Once they complete the corporate training, we will send them to the law firm internship, and also we have started the internship in Supreme Court. Recently we had invited the senior advocates of the Supreme Court, where they have given an opportunity to the students of Al-Amin College of Law for the internship.
Doing an internship under Justice of High Court, that is one thing which I can never forget in my life. So I did my internship under Justice John Michael Kunha in the High Court of Karnataka. So that was one thing which opened my eye towards the career of law. The experience under him was very massive, and that was the life turner at once at a point in time.
subject based internships also we have started now. Like if a particular student is getting education, is having a subject of banking law, we take them to the visit to RBI, Reserve Bank of India, where they will be given an information about the Indian banking system, how our banking system works, the currency system of our country. Like
forensic visit, so where the students get a knowledge about the evidences which is gathered regarding their cases, especially in criminal cases.
Particular subject like CRPC is there, we take them to the police station visit, how FIRs will be drafted, like that. If there is a CPC subject, we take them to the court proceedings, we show them the proceedings, how to file the petitions, etc. and etc. Labor law, if a student is having a labor law, we take them to the industrial visit.
This time we have visited American Power Conservation Company at Jigni. There we have made observation relating to health, welfare, safety, environmental protection measures.
We also give more importance to the extracurricular activities where the oratory skill of the students can be developed by way of conducting various programs like workshops, symposium, interactive sessions with the prominent High Court judges, and also moot court competitions, trial advocacy, mock trial, like this.
There are a lot of inter-class moot court competition held in our college, and also we have our own moot court practicals which is getting conducted in our college. So the cases will be given and we have to prepare for the case and we have to deliver our arguments in front of the judges. It is a typical court setup is also set in our college in a moot court.
You know, in Al-Amin College of Law, apart from studies, that there will be so many things which will encourage that what are the things which is needed for a best lawyer. When I came to this college, I was not knowing that I can be a debater. Once I came here, in first time only, there was an inter-class debate in this college, and at that time only, when the teachers, they were so supportive and they encouraged me, and at that point of time, I felt that no, I can also be a debater. I can also argue in front of some people. So I start debating at that time, and I came, third prize I got here. Then after that I start going for debate in the national, state level here.
All these things we will provide which are not there in the syllabus.
Some of the alumni students, they said, Madam, whatever is being taught in the classrooms and what exposure was given to us has helped us so much, and it has become very easy for us to practice and hold the platform of legal profession.
One of the best thing about the Al-Amin is the faculties. The teaching faculty and even non-teaching faculties are having a very close relationship with the students. Learning process does not end within the four walls of the classroom. It buds from there.
In the classroom, the lecturer is impacting knowledge in the easiest way, in the way that each and every student will understand. And in the practical knowledge comes the exposure part. Like when it comes to competition, when it comes to cultural events, when it comes to seminars, when it comes to talks, when it comes to interaction between the lecturers and other lecturers in other colleges also, it has been able to, Al-Amin College of Law has been able to provide that epitome of knowledge.
The student and faculty relationship here is quite friendly. When we were studying law, we were really scared to approach our lecturers, but here we are not so strict and scary. The students can approach us anytime. We are always available to them.
It is not a class of just a lecture. It is a much more of conversatory class where students are given a lot of opportunity to ask questions, and they are free to deliver what all they know, the subject knowledge they know.
I was from a place which is very far from here. I was not having any family member here. But you know, the teachers, the teaching staff and the non-teaching staff, they were like the families, they treat their students like the family.
Actually, people come from various, like all over the parts of India. There are in my class there are many students from Jharkhand, from Tamil Nadu, from Kerala. Most of them are from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So it's a combination of English medium and Kannada medium.
It has a beautiful faculty, a great management and fantastic system, and know various cultures, various traditions, customs, and also it will make you a beautiful human being along with a good lawyer.
The good infrastructure we have, every classes are equipped with classroom, smart classes and projectors we use.
We have well-established library with online library system. We have separate computer lab. We have online search engines where students need not to go and search case laws in the books. Sit on computer, get the case law on your fingertip. We have the search engine where a student can get the cases from 1950 to till date. We have a moot court, separate moot court hall. Moot court is an artificial court where students will be given a training where how the court procedures, what is the administration of justice, how it works, what is the procedure of the court. We have a very good, well-established seminar hall, anti-ragging cell we have students grievances cell, girl students protection cell also we have.
Till today we never used to receive a complaint from the student, and the files are till today empty.
We have internal quality assurance cell which is mandatory from the UGC, NAC.
Successfully, we have completed NAC by getting the grade B++.
We have online attendance system. As soon as teacher marks her attendance on tab, the parents of the students will get an SMS by saying that your son is absent for so and so class. And then Al-Amin College of Law is the first college which has introduced this online attendance system in Karnataka.
As per the KSLU, it's a good, we are getting the good results.
And we help, support, motivate and encourage the students to give a best out of them in the examination. We have seen the students coming out successfully in the examination.
Last month we had a graduation day in which nearly about 150 students, both from 5 years as well as 3 years, got the graduation. Our vision was there to send 200 students every year in advocacy. We advise them they should not be greedy after the money, because if they go for money, the judiciary setup will come down.
Lawyer is a social engineer basically. As a lawyer, we have a very great responsibility of building up the society. We organize a legal aid camps, legal literacy programs. We will go to the villages. We will teach them about the law. We organize medical camps. We distribute free medicines to the poor people. As a law college, we want our students not only to have a legal knowledge, we want them to have a social responsibility also.
students are encouraged to take part in the extracurricular activities like sports and sports cultural activities and representing the college in other national level and state level.
Al-Amin College of Law has got a very good name in Karnataka State Law University.
That is why now today we are stand as one of the different college in Karnataka.
These institutions are open to all communities, all castes, people speaking different languages, coming from different regions, and even to foreign students. About 100 foreign students are studying in our institutions.
If you want to see the secular India, Al-Amin is one of the best platforms.
Welcome to
Al-Amin College of Law.
Welcome to Al-Amin College of Law.
I extend a hearty welcome to Al-Amin College of Law.
Excellence in legal education.
Welcome to Al-Amin.